Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing the zombie shooter game tutorial number 3. So let's just get right into it. Let's recap real quick and get to where we were before in the last episode. So when you start, you have your main menu. When you press start, you can shoot zombies. You have a score. And when you die, there will be a high score. And you can't move anymore. So that's what we have so far. Also, we have the darkness effect. So if you watched the other videos today, you might have noticed that my computer was really slow and it crashed twice today, before the video and after the video. But I still, gosh, it was terrible. It took forever for my computer working, but it's working now, and we can do this. So let me zoom out real quick. This is a little close. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna get started with the shop today, because I think in the last episode, yeah, we just have it when it clicked. Broadcast shop. So when I receive shop, hide. And that's it actually. I'm gonna make let's make a background to the shop, which we should have done in the last episode. Just gonna rename it real quick. We're gonna rename everything. Make sure you have everything named. Okay. Now that should be it. Now let's get started with the shop. So when Sprite clicked, switch backdrop to shop, tune up, and now it's already, if you follow along just then, when you press shop, it does that. Now you also want this to hide when you press it. Now it'll hide, but then you're stuck in the shop, so how do you get out? Well, we're gonna start off by making a new sprite, and we're gonna name it Bat. Now, I think you might know what to do from here now, but if you don't, just make a button, and you can put whatever you want on here, but I'm gonna put back on it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna drag it down to the corner, right about there. You can do it wherever you want, but I'm gonna have my back button right there. You put it where you want it to be. When clicked, go to wherever you placed it and hide. Now, when I receive shop, show. And when sprite clicked, broadcast back. And then hide, and also switch backdrop to menu. Now, when you go, that's not right. Let's fix this real quick. Sorry about my stuffy nose. I am having really bad allergies, and I'm really stuffy right now, so let's go here when clicked, not there, that's better. Now, also, when you click back, it goes back, but where's the buttons? Well, that's what the broadcast back is for, so I'm gonna put, when I receive back, show. Clean up. And then we're also going to do the same for this one. So we go start and everything's normal, or we go to shop and then we can go to the game. So everything works. Now let's get a gun in the shop. Okay, let's get our gun. Just make a little button to go in the shop. And you can do whatever you want to it. I'm just gonna put a little figure like I did in my other game. Something like that. And then you put a number on the side over here in whatever color text that shows what level it's on. So this one is at level 1. And then up at the top, we're going to put upgrade. You can do however you want this button to look like, it doesn't matter, but just something that's big and good. So something like that. And I'll put the number up here for now. So I don't like my gun that much, so let's just fix this up real quick. Let's give myself a little then you can make the gun however you like. This is how I'm gonna make mine. Okay, that I will take. Now let's bring our upgrade back in here. Let's bring it to the front too. Now you're gonna make another duplicate, and you can do this however you like to, but I like to do it. And also you can, depending on how much guns you want to have, that's how much duplicates you'll make of this, and you'll just change the number each time. But once you've got maxed out, you're gonna make this, which I'm only gonna have one gun to add. And these will just be the boards. So what you'll do is like make it look all like it's blocked up and stuff. And like you can't buy it anymore. And gonna keep doing this until you have what you like the most. And I think I'm almost there. I think I like this. I think I'll keep this one. Okay, now once you've done that, just type in maxed out and whatever you want, however you'd like to, whatever, yeah. So just make it big and bold to make sure that people know it's maxed out. So now we're gonna go, when clicked, go here. I want it to go here, not there. Okay, whatever. Go here and hide. So it doesn't appear. So we're gonna do when I receive back and when I receive shop. So show receive shop, hide when I receive back. So then you got this, and you see it, but it's stuck on max. So we want it to switch the costume one start. Now it's back to that. So then when sprite clicked, if okay, now we're gonna make a new variable called upgrade LV number. So when sprite clicked, if upgrade number, which also go up to flag and set upgrade number to 1 when start. So if upgrade number is equal to 1, then change upgrade number by 1, but also add an if greater than, and this will be your price. So type in your price. It has to be below the price, 1 below, because it's greater than that. So whatever, anything above 49 is good. So 50 is above 49. So if you want like 33, then you'll do 32, or and so on. Just then we'll use kills for now. Let's change kills to rename to money. If money is greater than 49, change upgrade now. For showing purposes, I'm going to set this to 19. Change upgrade by 1. Now, when clicked forever, point towards mouse and switch to costume upgrade level. So now we're going to go to costume and duplicate this. Now you're going to put a new gun on here, however you'd like to. I am going to, what would I like? I like a shotgun. I'll do something like that for my other game. Let's just group, copy, oh wait, paste. Let's back, ungroup. So it's very uncomfortable. So you'll make a model for a new gun, whatever gun he's holding. Basically what you're doing. So after you've made your sprite, what you want to do is, we're gonna, let me finish this real quick. This isn't the best sprite in the world, but it could be better if someone actually made it better. this model would be so much better if I actually tried to make it look good, but I didn't, so don't judge. Get him back down. Gosh, this guy's arm is long. Long and skinny, but I don't care. Now, so when it upgrades, it'll switch to the custom chew, and now, move mouse down. Now now we're gonna go to bullet, which I'm in right now. This is if 1, and then duplicate this. Take go to variables. If upgrade level is 1, then if upgrade level is 2. Now you can do it, you can play around with this, but I'm gonna do how I do it. Let's see here. That looks pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is go now, which you'll notice is when we get in the game, start killing some zombies, getting some of that money, and when we die, how are we gonna spend our money? Well, let's go to zombie and this touching player, instead of broadcasting in, broadcast back. So we'll broadcast and then actually we'll keep in. Here's where this thing will come in handy. So once it's stopped, we'll broadcast back. Now let's see where this gets us. I'm just gonna test this out. Now we're just going off on zombies. Okay, so it shows now what I want. Receive back. Hide. Receive. Hide back. Hide. And delete this clone just in case. Oh. Sorry about that. My allergies. RC back. Hide. Also delete like this crap. Last one. Mercy back. Hi. Now what you'll notice is that after you die, you'll notice that like you're playing, you're having fun, you're getting your money, you get enough to buy your stuff, and you die, you get back to the menu. Well, I'll take that in a second. You go to shop, you buy your stuff, and then you go start, and you can't move. You're stuck. Ah, no! And then you die. Again. So first, let's fix the elephant in the room, which was, well, yeah, you know what it was. When I receive back, switch backdrop to menu. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move the high score up here, and we'll do that stuff in a second. But for now, we're going to fix the player. So you'll see that this will go off after it ends. So what we're going to do, when I receive back, do that. And do this with every single one that has a forever loop that requires from when a flag pressed. But keep the flag. You have to keep that. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. So make sure everything that has a loop, make sure that so now we'll buy real quick. Let's kill ourselves. Let's get here. Then we start back up and we can move. Now you'll notice that we can't turn because I missed something. So let's go and fix that real quick. When click forever. When I receive back forever. And also, you'll notice this has a forever loop. So you're gonna have to deal with this too. That's why. Now, everything should be working just by now. So you buy in, you get in some money, and then you die. Brings you back to the menu. The high score is still, we're gonna fix in a second. But then you can play again. And after you die again, it takes you back. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set the high score right here. Okay. Now let's set the high score back to 0 real quick, just for testing reasons. Now, first we're gonna find which, so instead we're gonna do when I receive back, show variable, and when I receive when start, show variable. And then we're gonna delete this one because we have that down here. Now what we're gonna do is when I receive end, or actually no, when I receive message one or shop, then hide high score and hide high score. Now you haven't seen the new guns yet, so let's show you what they look like. So now that shows, let's kill some zombies. You know, let's not kill some zombies. That's gonna take forever. Let's just change by 20. money. Also, so you know that it said 20, or it said 19 on it, but even though it said 19, it won't take it, that amount. I actually need to give me the money. Oh, and I did not want to do that. Shop. Now, that didn't change costumes because I have to fix that, but when you get in game, you have this cool shotgun. And I may have messed up a few things. I didn't mess up anything, I just... Oh, gosh. Gotta do all this stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to costumes and the player. Gonna copy the new gun guy that you got. Gonna go to bullet. You're gonna duplicate it. Then you're gonna paste the guy. You're gonna put on the back so you can actually see where the bullet is. Now you're gonna do that. And then you're just gonna move it to, well, where the tip of the gun is. Don't move it all the way out because it'll look kind of weird. But now I have to actually fix it. Oh, that does not go to 0-0 when I start. That is very disappointing. So now we're going to make it so also when switch to costumes 1, if upgrade level is equal to 1, if upgrade level is equal to 2, do the same. Now, also this one, actually, let's just move this down here. Let's go into the gun upgrade thing and switch to costume 2 when it changes and upgrades. So now, for my own convenience, I have to add this little cheat when space press give me money. But when you go in the shop, upgrade, it's maxed out because, well, that's the upgrade you have. Press start, and I have this cool new gun. Now you'll notice that it's shooting really fast, and that's not what we want. We want the shotgun to be very slow and more normal-like-ish, kind of, in a kind of way. So, what we're gonna do is go to bullet, and after we make that, we're gonna have a 2-second cooldown. So, start over, shop, mouse, work with me. There we go. Start. That's as fast as you can fire now. Ah, well, he came from behind me. But maybe that's too slow for you. So let's speed that up a little bit. Maybe 1.50 seconds. And now you've got it fixed. And that's, wait, before we go, let's just fix one more thing before I end the episode, which will be with the money. So, I think the bullet control the money. No. Which strike? Fuses? Oh, there we go. Nope. Not that either. Oh, I think it's zombies. Okay. Yep. So when I receive message 1, but we don't want that. We want when I receive shop, show, and when we receive back, hide. Money. So now when you start, go to the shop and it shows. Now let's put our money somewhere where it won't be in the way. Go back, money's gone, go back to the shop, money's there. We can use our cheat sheet. Also, if you go and don't use the upgrade, it does that. Oh, someone's calling me. Well, I'm gonna end the episode here. Hope you had a good time learning with me. I gotta go answer the phone now.